Hi there. Our project is Adaptable Automation Tool Kits. We are a MSD team in the Kate Gleason College of Engineering. I'm Nicholas. I'm a computer engineer.
I'm Jen. I'm an industrial engineer.
I'm Jack. I'm a mechanical engineer.
I'm Justin. I'm a mechanical engineer.
We're working with Harbeck to automate their injection molding process, add consistency to cycle times, reduce overall delays in production schedules, and improve the safety of individual mold operations for operators.
Harbeck is interested in a modular solution that will allow product lines to run in the absence of operators and eliminate waste created by downtime between individual operations.
Using the robot provided by Harbeck, our team is working to develop a toolkit consisting of a set of grippers, a docking station, a custom robot program, and a user manual. This will allow Harbeck to adapt the robot to different product lines in the future.
The team initiated the design process by creating hand-drawn sketches, which were then translated into 3D models that were later 3D printed. Complex functionality required design to be heat-resistant and provide friction. Through the prototyping stage, reduced movement was needed, resulting in a high-capacity dispenser as a solution.
The end-state deliverables for the project will provide Harbeck with a basis for docking station development on different, maybe even larger presses, and guidance on how to initialize programs for different product lines.
This project has given each of us experience in the field of automation and robotics, and knowledge of what manufacturing could look like in the future.
We would like to thank our client for funding this incredible project and for working with us throughout the entire process. Also, thank you to Al Dawson, our mentor, for leading us through the difficult times with encouragement and advice. Our final thank you goes to Dr. DeBartolo, Christine Fisher, and the supporting MSD team for this opportunity.